Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Shopify. So, first things first, open Shopify website on your device and then log into your Shopify account if you have not already. And once you're on the dashboard of your screen, click on the search bar at the top and search for digital downloads. Once it appears in the results, click on it and a new window will open up. Here you can see the install button. Click on it, and again a new window will open like this. So, again, click on install. And once the application is successfully installed, it will take you to your product list. Here, select the product that you want to add a digital file to. Then, click on add digital files and then upload a file from your device. Once uploaded, go to fulfillment settings and set fulfillment to automatic. This ensures files are sent automatically after purchase. And you can also set a download limit for customers if needed. Once done, click on Save to apply the settings. Now click on View in Admin and then preview your product page. And here you can see now customers can buy it just like a physical product. They will receive an instant download link after purchase. And that's it. You're now ready to sell a digital products on Shopify. Try Shopify now for free. No credit card needed. And after your trial, it's just $1 per month for the next 3 months. Click the link to get started.